Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In case you're new here, my name is Noel and welcome to this brand new vlog. Yeah, so don't mind about my, it's dirty, so I just wanna prepare some githeri. Like I want to pepeta this pepeta. I want to undo this. Undo, what do we call this? I want to make this maize for githeri. That is a mixture of maize and beans. And then after that, I want to clean and let's see what goes on. I'll show you. If I'll manage, I'll show you whatever I'll show you. So thank you so much for clicking into this amazing video. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for joining in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking in. Thank you. And yeah, if you are my viewer here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Just click on my profile there and you'll see subscribe. Yeah, we're on the road to 1000 subscribers. Okay, so if you subscribe, we will be able to reach there as fast as possible. Okay, yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. You'll get to see what I'm doing. Okay,
don't push back, don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
this is how I'll just break it like that and then I'll do it like this. Ooh.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short.
So guys, this is the maize that I've already done, so I want to wash. This is the beans. Yeah, so I just want to boil. So guys, I've added the maize, so let it boil now. I'll show you the end result.
Find my way to you. they won't, when they will. I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. It's over and that's the end. Oh, I want to find my way to you. Yeah, baby. Oh, I want to find my way to you. Gotta find my way, baby. I don't need a reason to say what I want when it's real. If I see you acting patient, you never know your last meal. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. It's over and that's the end. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. It's over and that's the end. Passing through, catching that feeling of wonder. Can't stop till I feel that way again. Oh, no. Find my way to you. Gotta find my way. Find my way to you. Gotta find. Find my way to you.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood. Sweating my love.